You get me fired up like holy, you harder than hell.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sevim. Today we are going to practice and start learning about Vertex AI. We are going to train the TensorFlow model locally in a hosted Vertex Notebook, create manage Tabular dataset artifact for experiment tracking. Then we are going to containerize our training code with CloudView and push it to Google Cloud Artifact Registry. And then we are going to run Vertex AI custom training job with our custom model container. Next, we are going to use Vertex TensorBoard to visualize model performance and deploy the trained model to the Vertex Online Prediction Endpoint for serving predictions. And lastly, we are going to request an online prediction and expectation and see the response. Now that we are in the Google Cloud environment, we can start by activating our Cloud Shell. Let's activate. The first task is to enable Google Cloud services, and let's do that. We are going to enable a couple of services. It's compute, IAM roles, credentials, monitoring, logging, notebook, Air platform, BigQuery, artifact registry, cloud build, and container. The second part is to create Vertex AI custom service account for Vertex TensorBoard integration. So let's do that. Service account ID Vertex custom training, G-Cloud IAM service accounts, and this is going to display name Vertex AI custom training. And let's do that as well. We are now going to need to grant access to cloud storage for writing and retrieving TensorBoard logs. This will be project ID and then ID and account, service account, role, admin. Next, we are going to grant access to BigQuery data source to read the data in our TensorFlow model. And grant access to Vertex AI for running model training, deployment, and explanation jobs. And now we are going to launch Vertex AI Workbench Notebook. I went to the other screen. Let's close the Cloud Shell for now from here. And you can search it from here as well. And I'm just going to go from Workbench here. If it's not enabled, you need to first activate the Workbench enable, but next you will see this part. And user manage notebooks. Let's go here. Now we need to create a new. Let's come here and create new. Let's name the notebook. We can change the name. I'm going to change that to 7 and region and select a zone. This is set. I'm going to leave as it is. And let's create. The environment is TensorFlow 2.11 and is still generating. This is created now. We can open that in Jupyter Lab. Now we are going to clone the library from GitHub. Let's go to terminal and allow clone that GitHub Google Cloud Platform Training Data Analyst. It's appeared here. We can see that it's now cloned. Now we are going to add the dependencies, install the dependencies. We can work on the notebooks. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to go to Vertex training. Under the training data analysis, there is self-placed labs and Vertex AI. There are a couple of labs that you can start working with. AI Quick Start, Challenge Lab, Custom Training, and Pipelines. Let's go to Quick Start, and there is lab exercise that we can open. Quick Start to start with Vertex AI. And this is how we can start practicing and training our data. I will see you in my next video. Bye!